Hey guys, so today I'm on my way to the University College London Hospital because Raèna has a hearing test. When she was born, they were saying that they didn't get any response from one of her ears. They did 2 different tests and it was the same outcome both times. So now we're on our way to UCLH to have the more official one where they will check it properly, and she has to be asleep for this one, which she's sleeping now, so I don't know how they expect her to be asleep when we get there. But yeah guys, I'm going to take you along with me for this journey today, and you should be able to hear the outcome as well. And yeah, hopefully all is well. Hopefully there are no issues with her hearing, and that it was just a blunder on the days that she had the first ones, or maybe just amniotic fluid in her ears, etc. So I will check back in with you. I've just got to the train station and I'm about to get a train to Warren Street. Wish me luck, guys. So now I'm on the platform, guys, waiting for the train, which is coming in 2 minutes. So let's see. It is now 12 o'clock. Actually, guys, I've got a meeting right now. So I gotta go. So I'm almost there. I'll have to do some searching around. There's a way. Hello, Mama. Yeah, so I've got a little bit more of a walk. I'm in the city with all this beautiful architecture. You know me and my architecture. So right now I'm in the so yeah, guys, I'll see you over there. Look at your cute face. Guys, so we are now in the hearing room. They've already done one small test while she's awake, and now they expect her to go to sleep, and then they will do some more testing. So yeah, you for this dribble. Look at your dribble. She's getting angry now because she's seen her bottle. I've just made it up. But she has to arrive hungry and tired, which was hard work. You know, babies like to sleep when they travel, and they also like to eat, sorry. But yeah, and we've made it, and I'm sure she's hungry now. Right guys, so I'll let you know the outcome. Okay guys, so we're all done, and Raèna'S hearing is perfect. So that's really good news. I'm really happy about that. And we're just going to make our way back now. Here she is. This place is so posh. I'll let you see this. And here is my lift. That's where we went in. I'm assuming I'll go to ground floor. Ooh, and there's a mirror here. How you doing? I know you can hear me. I know for a fact you can hear me. Hmm? Hey. Oops. It's that way. Okay, so she's gone to sleep now. There's her. Just waiting for us to go. Look at the beautiful buildings. I'm obsessed. Oh, the screen. I should be looking at where I'm going. So beautiful in the city. People are going while we're supposed to be crossing. I think I'm right beside Tottenham Court Road. I should do a little cheeky shopping. Literally placed like anyone. Quite enjoying this city life. Honestly, nervous. Oh, do you know, actually, I am on Tottenham Court Road. How is this on Tottenham Court Road? What end of it? No way. Go quickly before the cars start moving. Right guys, I think I can see this train station now. So I'm going to get back on the train, and I will see you probably at the other end. Train is coming. I have to do those horrible stairs again. People just literally walk past you. I'm used to it. I'm now. People's selfishness. Yeah, right. I did it. That's why I got moving strong, I guess. My mum is doing her school run today. Well, has done, because it's past school run time now. What's the matter, Mama? So overall guys, it was a good day. Raèna'S had her first ride on the train. Her hearing test was successful. Well, was good outcome. and we went into the city. We are now back, and I'm gonna close out this vlog because I am knackered. So I will see you guys soon. Until the next one. Stay blessed, stay positive, stay successful. Just a bit of encouragement there, you know. Bye.